Alright, night one with the Rodin Star coil and Tesla's plasma static ball. So I have the diameter perfectly measured. When I resonantly tune this coil with the ball, this is how the plasma now reacts. So for those of you that think that this design doesn't have potential, I'm here to tell you, God is my witness. This thing has tons of potential. The coil, for any of you that want to know, so this is a 6-volt plasma ball. I'm going to try to get a better recording tomorrow. I literally just discovered this, and I had to record it and show you guys because it looks crazy. I've never got the plasma to do that. This is the only coil that is getting that plasma to rotate at a consistency. Oh, and get this. My leads are hooked up, right? There is no... I don't want to mess up the resonance because I somehow tuned it when I put my hand over it. It tuned, and now it's spinning, and... yeah, it's like on a perfect balance. I'm generating 9 volts. Okay, I'm trying to get a nice angle here. Okay, there. Oh, I think I knocked it. Okay, when I put my hand over it, right? Look, I put my hand over it, it generates up to 16 volts. So my body must be working as a giant antenna that's amplifying energy, and the coil is picking up the free electrons. When I take my hand away, it drops the power back down. But what's really odd is now there's more plasma than before. We're getting a steady 3 lines. Alright, it's staying at 4 volts. And when we take it to the milliamps, okay, 0.03. Now look what happens when I put my body, my hand over it. You see that? This is a 6-volt plasma ball. This coil only has, I think I only wound, oh shoot, how many layers did I put? I'm trying to see it with the camera. I think there's like 8 or 9 layers on this coil. So what's really interesting is how it resonates and can tune. When you try to adjust it, you can get the plasma to rotate and do odd things with the resonance. And I tell you what, this coil has some potential to do some stuff if you have a lot more turns. See how many more turns I can fit? I'm only using 10% of its potential. So if I use 100%, well, you'll see what happens on the next video. If you like what you've seen in this one, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to like this video. Please don't comment hatred. I'm just trying to discover scientific stuff just like you. If you have something that's better, please feel free to show it to me. I'm more than willing to learn. So yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. I'm a V-King, out.